Hello class, today we are going to be doing two-dimensional shapes in our math section. So some of the rules that we will be learning today are how many sides does a shape have, how many vertices or points does this shape have, what does this shape look like in real life, and is the shape curved or straight? So our first one is going to be a triangle. And I know all of you guys know what a triangle is, but we're going to learn more about it. So a triangle has three sides, it has three vertices, so those are the points. So that's where the lines connect. So we have three vertices. And the sides can either all be the same length or they could be different. So like when we have a pizza, the pizza don't have all the same sides. So like two sides maybe are the same and one of the other sides is shorter, or like in this pink one right here, they can all be the same size. So some of our real life objects that are triangles are like the pizza or a street sign or anything else. So our next one is a square. A square has four sides, four vertices, and all four sides are the same length. So that's a very important thing to remember about a square is that all the sides have the same length. So if you were to measure them on this orange triangle, all of the sides would be the very same length. So some of our real life objects are like this pug pillow or a chessboard or a picture frame. There's lots. Our next one is a circle. So this one may seem a little weird because a circle doesn't have any sides and it doesn't have any vertices because it's completely round. So that means there's no point on a circle. It's just all one smooth line. So some of our examples are like an orange slice, or a clock, or a basketball, or many other things. And our last shape that we're going to talk about today is our rectangle. Our rectangle also has four sides and four vertices, just like our square does. But the thing that makes a triangle different is that two opposite sides are the same length. So when we look at the blue triangle, you can see, or the blue rectangle, you can see that the sides aren't the same size. So like in our American flag or in money, they aren't the same length. They have two sides that are shorter and then two sides that are longer. So now we're going to practice drawing these shapes. So I would like you guys to get out your piece of paper and your pencil, and I want you to draw the shape that has four sides, four vertices, and all four sides are the same length. So try and think back of those shapes we just talked about. Which one has all four sides that are the same length? All right, I'm going to show you. We have a square. Good job, class. Now we're going to draw this shape. It says draw this shape. It has 0 sides and 0 vertices. So what was that one that we talked about? Let's see. Talked about our circle. So remember, our circle doesn't have any points. It's just one smooth round line. And then lastly, class, I would like you guys to have some fun with this one. So I want you guys to draw your favorite animal just using some shapes. So like here in this example, the head is a circle, the ears are triangles, the body is a triangle, and the tail is a rectangle. Or over here, you see we have our cat, this other cat, so it has a round head and the triangle ears, and a rectangle body, and then the feet are squares. Have fun, class!